Okay, now I am going to tell you how to swap two variables in a single line. Okay, the whole program will not be done in single line, only the swapping process will be done in single line. Okay, I am writing the program. Oh, no. I am now declaring variables a and b. I am displaying a message on screen. Okay, now I am accepting values from user. Now I need to do the swapping process, right? And since I have to do the swapping process in single line, so one thing I can say is that I will have to use multiple assignment operators, right? Okay, so I have two steps to be achieved. Okay, so first one is that I have to assign the value of a into b, and then again I will have to assign the value of b into a. Okay, so I am using the parenthesis. Okay, because in the whole expression this will have the highest priority and this will be done first. So I am assigning the value of a into b. Now first step is completed. Okay, now the assignment of b is done. Now we need to do the assignment of a. So for this I am writing a assignment operator. Now as we can see that this thing in this parenthesis, okay, is a. So what we can do is that, what if we will write a assignment a plus b minus a, that will be automatically b. Okay, so I will do the same thing. I will write a equal to a plus b minus a. Okay, okay, now I need to display the swapped values on the screen. Oh no, equal to a b equal to b, and now I am returning from the main function. Okay, so here I have saved this program. Now I will display you the output. There is no error. Now we are entering two variables 2 and 3. So the value of a and b after swapping is a equal to 3 and b equal to 2. Again we can enter 5000, okay, whatever this value is, and 2. So we got the value swapped. Okay,